Scarlett Rose. For those that are new, welcome. Come on in. For those that have been joining me from the very beginning, thank you so much for helping me grow my channel, y'all. I have a delicious, fun, fantastic, easy dessert that I know everybody will enjoy. I am going to be making a green sherbet blast shake. A green sherbet blast shake. It is so delicious. This is a easy, delicious dessert recipe, shake recipe that you can make for your children, you can make for your family, you can enjoy this anytime. You can also make this for your grandchildren. This is so delicious, and I thought this would be the perfect recipe to make for St. Patty's Day. Or you can use this for a potluck as well. When I think of St. Patrick's Day, you guys, I think of my Uncle Patrick, who was born on St. Patrick's Day. And I just want you all to know that my uncle was a wonderful uncle to me and my brother and sister and I, as well as a great brother to my mother. He always looked out for all of us and our entire family. I know his wife and his kids miss him so much, as well as our entire family. And I also want to mention a big happy birthday to my sister. We call her Sunshine, and I just want to wish her a happy birthday. Her birthday is March 16th, and I wish her many more, many blessings, many happy birthdays to come. And guys, some of the ingredients we're going to be using today, we're going to be actually using my Hamilton Beach blender. If you're looking for a great blender, please check out the description box below this video, and this will take you to an Amazon link that you can purchase a fantastic Hamilton Beach blender. We're going to be using my 2 mugs sherbet, some green lime sherbet for this recipe. We're going to be using my ice cream scooper. We're going to be using some Sprite, but you can use Mountain Dew and 7-Up. It's your option. We're going to be using some Reddi-wip. We're also going to be using some sugar topping, green topping sugar sprinkles. And we're going to be using some Maraschino cherries, you guys. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to wet the rims of our glasses. So let's go ahead and do that first. Is we're going to coat the rim of our glasses. And we're going to coat it in this sugar here. Very decorative, very pretty. And I'm so happy you all joined me today. Again, my uncle, he was a fantastic uncle, my Uncle Patrick. He passed away, unfortunately, in October of 2009. And every time St. Patrick's or March comes around, we always think of him. Our entire family misses him so much. He was just the life of the party. He was, like I said, he was so giving and just really fun to be around. And I miss him so much. So this is in honor of him, and as well as wishing my sister a wonderful and blessed Happy New Year. So let's go ahead and toast to both of them. So we're going to go ahead and take some of this green sherbet. And I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy this. Your grandkids, you sitting back, chilling at home. It's a easy, delicious. If you love shakes, if you love sherbet, this is awesome. An awesome recipe that your entire family will enjoy. So let's go ahead and pour that in there. We don't want to fill it all the way up to the top because we want to leave some to garnish. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the whipped topping. We're gonna sprinkle some more sugar on top. And then we're going to add a delicious cherry on top. And we're going to take a straw. And this one is for you. And this one is for me. And I am toasting to my uncle, my Uncle Patrick, and my sister Sunshine. And this is in loving memory of my uncle, my late uncle. And I want to say that I miss him and I love them both. And let's go ahead and taste. This is really, really delicious, you all. If you haven't already hit that like and that subscribe, please hit it now. What are you waiting for? I hope you enjoy this green sherbet blast. This green sherbet blast shake. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope to see you all next week. Bye. Godspeed.